everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about this one game here I made. Okay, and we'll just explain it. First, we have these libraries: Pygame, which makes the game, and the math, a random and SYS library. Then pygame.init. So it will install Pygame. That's what it's basically doing here. Then we make the screen width, height, and give the color for like the sky, the clouds, because this is a plane simulator, so it's like a game. And dark blue, so the darker sky at a high altitude. When you go high, the sky is very dark. Green for the forest and the mountain, brown and the runaway color. Okay, then we make a class here for the speed and all that, like acceleration, right? And landing and all. Fuel, wind resistant, yeah. Make a function, update. Okay, we make this function using if conditions in it. Okay? And then we make another function, draw. So we'll draw the plane based on the altitude, as we can see here. Okay? Then we make another class for the mountain, for like the mountain. And then we put a function in all the if conditions. And the runaway markings, because it's going to be gray, and the center line too. And I think for the forest, right? This is the function. So this is all about the plane and starting on the runaway. And we create the mountains. Okay? And that's it. So let's just run the code. Okay. So it works like that. So this means how much it goes. Okay, sorry. Created rule. Now it should be coming. So engine, we can go up. So we can do W. Okay, and we can do S to go down. If we do G, let's say, let's do G. Okay. Actually, make it full screen. Yeah. We'll go with G. Now we can, now let's go up. I don't know where it went, but that's fine. It should be coming. Oh, there it is. So, it also shows the speed and fuel, how much it's wasted. Okay? If, for example, let me go down first. Okay. So fuel is low, right? So low fuel, so it will, after the fuel hits 0, it will come back again. Like, you know what I mean? Now fuel is gone. We're out of fuel. So the plane is gonna crash. And then, so yeah, this is the advanced plane simulator. This is the speed, how fast it goes, right? This is to go up and down, turn left and right. This is the climb. This is the climb up and the descent down here. And we can turn off the engine and also put the landing gear and also the fuel. Engine is off. Yeah. So that's it all about this game. So thank everyone for listening to my video about this advanced plane simulator. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and